Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel where faith meets business. I'm Bianca Lewis, your branding and content marketing coach for creative Christian women in business. And today we have an exciting topic. We're talking about using market research to create a buyer's persona, which is going to help you connect with your audience and grow your business. We're going to use social media analytics, ChatGPT, and Canva to create this visual document that's going to inspire you to create valuable offers and an effective content marketing strategy. So if you want in, I have a template for you. I have a tutorial. Come on in. Let's learn and grow together. And of course, we have some scriptures to meditate on so we can bring God into this. Holy Spirit, Jesus, help us out here. Let's go. The brand identity series, Christian edition. This time we're talking about market research for brand development. First thing we're going to do is learn our audience. This is supposed to be Proverbs 27:23, and I'll show you the scriptures later. But we're going to utilize social media analytics to learn more and ChatGPT. We're going to create buyer personas. These profiles are going to help us with content marketing and valuable offers, and then we're going to engage and listen. This is more of the follow-up. So let's get into it. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, Bianca Lewis. This is where I post this. Super exciting. I want to show you one way that you can use ChatGPT to get information. Let me show you this. So for example, I put up here, look up here. This is the prompt. Let me know if you want it. You can write it out right now. Do some research for me and act like an expert Instagram social media marketer. Tell me 10 frustrations, 10 desires, and 10 fears that Christian women experience with their business. Put it in a table format, label x-axis 1 to 10, y-axis frustrations, desires, and fears, and I added desirable service to help in the price point. So this is the frustrations, the desires, the fears. So balancing faith and business, growing a business that honors God, financial instability are the fears, empowerment through faith is the desires, the frustrations, maintaining integrity under pressure, what kind of desirable service, value-based marketing strategy, motivational workshops, faith-based business networking. So this will give you some ideas. This is just a little way that you can do it. There's so many other ways. So again, use social media analytics. Check out your Instagram analytics. Check out pages who are also targeting the similar audience. What content is performing well. Check out hashtags, YouTube analytics. You can also, Pinterest is great, and YouTube for SEO. But the purpose of the buyer persona is to learn your audience, connect, and create valuable offers and effective content marketing strategy. Excuse me if I speak a bit fast. I'm a mama of 3 and I have to get things done at a fast pace. You feel me? So, God, Holy Spirit, allow me to take a deep breath. I want to share these scriptures. Proverbs 16:3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do and He will establish your plan. So we're committing our business to God and He will establish our plans. He will lead us to the strategy. He will lead us to the connections. He will lead us to the customers. Proverbs 27:23. Be thou diligent to know the state of thy flocks and look well to thy herds. This is all about understanding what it is that you've been given, the provision, the business, the people who are coming to you. And this is, to me, relates to market research. I want to understand who are the people that God are calling me to work with. Proverbs 31:16-17. She considers a field and buys it. Out of her earnings she plants a vineyard. She sets about her work vigorously. Her arms are strong for her task. So this is so wonderful because it's talking about planning, and that's what we're doing here. We're taking our time to learn our audience so we can plan out how we can connect with them. And we're going to do so, and this is going to help us be strong for the tasks that come out of this. So here we have Margarita Perez. This was something else, and I'll show you guys the journey, but I basically took a template and was able to transform it. Let's see templates here. It was one of these templates, and I was able to transform it to make it more work with my branding because I have my brand colors over here and some of my elements. I chose a picture, and this information that I got, I also used ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you the prompt that I put. The prompt that I put was create a buyer's persona, and I wanted to know what social media platforms they would use because that's going to help us strategically come up with our content and social media marketing plan. And this is what we got. And you can be really specific with your prompt to get more information. So I'm back. So what I did was I took the information that I got from ChatGPT, found a nice template that I liked, remixed it, put my own branding, my own elements, and insert the information, her goals, her challenges, all of the things using that ChatGPT prompt, and just copy pasted everything in its place so that I can look at it and be inspired. I'm a visual person, so I said, you know what? I love the words, but I also need visual. So I went ahead, got another design template, chose a collage I liked, and now I'm looking at what she likes to do. She likes to listen to podcasts. Let me add an image of something that represents a podcast. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue to read more about her and add images that represent her interests, her challenges, anything that gets me to get to know Margarita, this customer profile. So I use the search bar to find images. You can put graphics if you'd like, or videos. I just wanted to keep it simple with some photos, and I do get access to all the photos because I have the paid Canva. But yeah, look around for the things that make sense for your customer profile. She is a business coach, a social media strategist, so I'm putting in that computer, and she loves to infuse faith. She works with Christian women. She's a lot like me. And so we're adding those images, and she wants that work-life balance. So you see, Margarita is complete. We have her gender, location, education, occupation, interests, her goals, her preferred social media, challenges, service, support, desired. And then we have that visual that we created with all of the things that are mentioned up here in a visual way so that we can get to know Margarita and feel like we understand her. And then we also made one for Emma. So I took the information, copy pasted it right in here, and filled it all in. And you can see what are the similarities between some of your customer profiles. Both of these ladies like Instagram and Facebook, but one is on Pinterest and one is on LinkedIn. So that's something to consider. Over here, you can put a comment next to your image. So like you see, click the image, you can put a comment. And so in the comment, I just put their little bios, a quick one, just if I wanted to read this instead of look through here. I did that for Margarita as well. And this was created for me in ChatGPT along with the different portions that we have here. So yes, Emma Green, she is a business owner for a Christian themed home decor. So that is her children, what she likes to listen to. One of her things she's really working on is financial stability. And that's really awesome. Both of the ladies love to listen to podcasts and join church community. So that's awesome. So, you know, you can actually use some of your own customers that you've had before to fill this in. That'll be really, really good. But the main thing is so that we can make a content marketing strategy based on this information and understand the services that we're going to be able to offer because of this information. And I was able to use ChatGPT and go ahead and insert that in. I put, can you create? No, that wasn't that. I was able to put, based on these customer profiles, what kind of content marketing strategy should I apply and what services should I offer? So that's what you're gonna see on here. And they give me examples. I could put inspirational posts. I can put faith with business advice, which is what I do, tutorials, tips, foster online community, share your business journey, use consistent colors and fonts. Yes, the services to offer. I can do social media strategy management services, one-on-one coaching sessions. I can make templates and guides and checklists. So this is awesome. But on the next video, we're going to go into this deeper and actually put this into action and strategize with more guidance. So if you'd like this template to use, just to have to just kind of guide you, you can do that. I can give you this template link. Just DM me and we'll chat. I want to get to know you. I want to say hi, and I will give you the template link. So yes, let me know down below if this was helpful, what part was helpful, or if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.